when I was like a little kid, I always worked, mainly construction. So I guess I was kind of like engraved, me trying to that work ethic. So I guess like that kind of helps a lot once I got to Tulsa. All I had to do was pay attention, engrave everything they taught me, show it in the field. They say I'm well put together. It's funny how things just my mom, she had a rough childhood coming up, so it kind of reflect on how I was raised. She was really strict. She said she always tried to tell me to go to school, so I ain't have a bad life. My dad, I guess you got also say here he had a rough childhood, and he's always been everything about discipline, structure, all that. So I feel like that really helped me a lot once I grew up, because since I grew up in the hood, there's a lot of bad influences, and he always tried to put me in sports. He was really strict. I feel like that really helped me from the other kids that didn't have that much of fatherhood. He showed me the right path, and thanks to him, I'm where I'm at. I was never really the school guy, not really. I've always been hands-on guy. I like to work. Ever since I was little, my dad took me to work, and my parents always told me to go to school, but I hated school. Mainly, I went to school just because of soccer. That's really about it. I never liked it. How I heard first about Tulsa Welding School, it was through my dad. I remember after I got arrested for spectating a car meet, he told me, and also because I stopped going to community college, I ain't like college, I ain't like school. He told me, like, I need to do something with my life. He said, at least go to trade school. And I thought about it, I was like, I like working. I'm like, they make pretty good money, so I looked up some schools. Tulsa was one of the first ones that came up. I was probably the first one that came up, and that's how everything began. They love me here. They want to see me succeed because they seen how I was when I was first year, how I came, and they see me from the bottom up. I feel like the instructors do like you to be successful because I feel like they see themselves in you, and they want you to be better than them, and that really helps here because I'm like, you always try to work for the next person to be better than you. So the program I graduated from was electrical technician. They trained me for basically everything that came on the field. It was, I guess you could say, it came with a full package. Trained you everything that you could probably imagine that comes up on the field. Thanks to this, I got a job at Siemens, so really thankful for that, making good money. They really do try to help you get a job. I'm like, they don't promise you a job, but they try to do everything in their power for them to help you get a job. I was fortunate enough to get it before I graduated school. When I first started, I started at the bottom. I remember I was doing mechanical, and then from the mechanical, they tried to train me in everything. And now I'm foreman. Blessed. I am liking the money. They call it Siemens money. Whenever you get there, I remember when I got there, I bought a new car, and everyone was telling me, "Oh, you got that Siemens money now, so you starting to spend it." I was like, "Yeah." I'm into cars. I got a Q60 Infiniti IPL. The funnest thing I do with my car, I guess you could say, when I be splitting flames, that's pretty fun, but also I guess you could say a little drifting. Drifting's pretty fun. Also, the attention you get from your car. I remember when I first got it, I had a lot of attention to everybody. So just try to give them a good show, hopefully. I have been with my girlfriend 3 years, going to 4. I'm like, she has been there with me through everything. Since I was nothing, she has really been a good part of my life that has helped me become a better me. I'm like definitely proud, yeah, but mostly blessed. Tulsa has really been like my turning point where I matured and had to flip that switch where I gotta focus on my life, focus on my future. TWS changed my life. They changed my life on everything. I'm like, since I've came here, everything has just been going up. My name is Sergio, and I'm proud to be a TWS graduate. Mi nombre es Sergio y soy orgulloso de graduarme de TWS.